Our staff goes the extra mile to ensure everyone walks away happy and satisfied. It's part of our top-notch 5-star experience, and we're excited to share our latest rave review with you. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are very happy and satisfied, and this review is no exception, ensuring our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favourite reviews, very inspiring. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.